It's the year 2100 and Earth is no longer habitable. Humanity's last hope now rests on establishing a colony on Mars. The first humans touched down on the red planet, stepping into a realm of red dust and unfathomable challenges. This is the story of survival and adaptation in a land that is nothing like home. The first hurdle for Mars settlers is the planet's inhospitable environment. Mars has a cold, barren desert with a thin atmosphere, primarily composed of carbon dioxide, which offers little to no natural support for human life. The first challenge these pioneers will encounter is creating a livable habitat in such a hostile setting. Upon landing, they will probably start assembling prefabricated modules brought from Earth. These modules will be more than mere shelters. They will serve as critical lifelines, equipped with advanced systems to recycle air and water. These habitats will be essential for survival in a place where such resources are scarce and precious. However, establishing a self-sustaining ecosystem on Mars won't be without its challenges. The settlers will need to meticulously manage the limited resources. They will rely on redundant systems and regular maintenance to ensure the functionality of their life support systems, as any failure could lead to dire consequences. Ideally, these habitats would operate seamlessly, providing a safe and comfortable living environment. Yet, realistically, given our current understanding and data, the settlers are likely to encounter various technical difficulties. These could range from equipment malfunctions and resource shortages to the challenges of repairing complex machinery in a hostile environment. Food is another critical concern. The settlers won't be able to rely indefinitely on supplies from Earth, so they will turn towards hydroponic gardening. This method, which involves growing plants in nutrient-rich water without soil, will be essential in the harsh Martian environment. Settlers will conduct experiments with various crops, discovering which ones are best suited to thrive under Martian conditions. Their success in harvesting these crops will represent a significant victory in their quest for self-sufficiency on a planet that offers no natural sustenance. Life on Mars will extend beyond mere survival. It will necessitate adaptation to a new way of living. The settlers will have to contend with Mars' lower gravity, which poses a risk to their physical health. Regular exercise will become a crucial part of their routine, necessary to maintain muscle and bone strength. This practice will be as routine and vital as other daily activities, ensuring that their bodies can withstand the challenges posed by the Martian environment. Communication with Earth will present another significant challenge due to the time delay in transmissions. Messages could take up to 22 minutes to travel each way, making real-time conversations impossible. This limitation will likely intensify the settlers' sense of isolation. In response, they will need to develop a strong, supportive community amongst themselves, relying on each other for emotional and psychological support in the face of this profound isolation. The expansion of their base will be a priority. They will construct greenhouses to ensure a steady supply of fresh produce, laboratories for scientific research, and even a small manufacturing unit. This unit will mark the beginning of in situ resource utilization, a process where they will start producing essential materials directly from Martian resources. This step is vital for the colony's long-term sustainability. Dependence on Earth for supplies will diminish as they harness what Mars offers, from its minerals to its unique atmospheric components. However, life on Mars is far from straightforward. The settlers will continuously face daunting environmental challenges. One of the most significant will be the dust storms, notorious on Mars for their intensity and duration. These storms, capable of lasting for months, will pose a severe threat by covering solar panels, the colony's primary energy source, and drastically reducing visibility. To combat this, the settlers will develop methods to predict these storms, allowing them to prepare and minimize their impact. They might construct protective covers for solar panels or develop alternative energy sources to ensure continuous power during these periods. Another perpetual concern will be equipment failure. In the harsh Martian environment, the failure of critical equipment like oxygen generators will be a matter of life and death. The settlers will need to become proficient in repairing and maintaining their equipment. They will likely establish routine checks and have contingency plans for quick repairs. Their ability to respond to these situations will be crucial for their survival. Over time, the settlers will adapt to the constant cycle of problem-solving and innovation. They will experience the satisfaction of overcoming these challenges, interspersed with moments of frustration when solutions are not immediately evident. Their resilience will be tested, but each obstacle they overcome will strengthen their capability to thrive on this new frontier. That's it for this video. Do you think you could survive on Mars? Leave a comment below. See you in the next one.